make a train track. I got all my train track pieces. I got all my trains.
That's not even all your trains.
Yeah, I got some more. I got some more train tracks.
Yeah, you do. You got time. But that's okay. Let's see what you can build. That piece is, what is that piece that you just did? That's a tunnel?
It's a tunnel where you go through it and then that you can go on top of it.
Ooh.
Maybe I can get a train track like that. Yeah. This is pretty hard. Tunnel. Yeah, I'm gonna do that for the Another pieces.
Did you get enough straights from your box?
I don't know. I got these straights. So the rest is up there. Guys, see hard because I don't have that much straight pieces. So I'll just start anyway. So
Why don't you go get some straights?
okay, but where's all I get this recipe center?
We'll take a break while you get straights. Okay, Eddie's back. He has some more pieces. Let's see what he can put together.
Okay, where's an African? Oh, here is an African list. Just that now. Sorry, this side likes to come off. Yeah. Those are shit.
It's been a while since you've built a Thomas track, right?
Yeah. I think the last time I did it was January.
January? Wow.
Well, okay. This thing is okay, now, I'm going to do it like this. Now, I'm going to try to do it like this. Look. Okay, now, I need this big of a turn. Now, I'm going to use these for like the head. Oh God, that's too tight. I think I need to pull the top a little bit more. Do I really need to move this?
If you need to.
I need to. Okay, so now. There you go. Okay, now I need to pull the top a little bit more.
Yeah, I think so.
Look at that big bend. Like this. I need this kind of shape.
There you go.
Now I think that's much better. Or maybe too tight.
We'll just see how it goes. Because you can always move that, yeah.
Yeah, you can always move that. Okay, that's a perfect angle.
Mm-hmm.
Now, this may be tricky. Okay, now.
Where's your little things that hold up the train track? You have some. Oh, there's another one.
Oh, there's another. Oh, that was perfect. This is perfect. That's trying to get away. Okay, now. You need to sing like those things where that holds up the train track.
Yeah.
I think I need those right now.
Okay, you want me to go get some of those? Okay.
Okay, this is what I had so far. Sorry it took so long.
They can't tell because we didn't film, silly.
Yeah.
Show them what you did down here.
I did down here. Look.
And you have Play-Doh. What else?
Home character, a Chuggington character, and a Sesame Street Racer character. Okay, so I just got back from almost finishing the train track. I had to use Play-Doh, a home character, which is out, and we need I needed a Chuggington character and a Sesame Street Racer character. look. We have like this big of a track, and it's almost connecting to this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now we need a turn, which is now, and then so we need a turn like this. Like this. We need like a turn, and then we need like a little tiny, like this straight. Sorry. And we need this may be tricky. It's gonna be pretty straight.
Oh, you're gonna have to make a tight turn.
I really make it tight.
Oh, there you go.
Okay, so now okay, so now I think I need I can't find any more turns.
Uh-oh. You want to go get some?
Yes.
Okay. Be right back. Has it almost done? Needs to change something, right?
Yeah. Bow, ba, da, bow, bow, bow. Okay, now. Okay. Okay, so okay, I will use this bridge too. So let's do it right. I don't guess we need it.
You don't want to use it?
Wait, I think we can use it. Look, it has like track over big thing. Look. Ah, bad. Gosh, this is going so crazy. Oh God. Like this. Okay, so
Oh, there you go.
not that. Let's do it like this. Look, let's not do stuff randomly. Let's do this up. Like this. Okay, so now let's do it like that. That's perfect.
Yeah.
Look at it. I'm all done.
Yeah. Cool. You want to try a train on it?
Yeah, try trade. I'm gonna go
Who's that?
original Thomas.
Original Thomas.
Kind of like person, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. So I thought it was.
Yeah.
Oh, they got stuff on that part.
Gosh.
Oh!
Probably made it so hard. Okay, let's try that again. Take two. Okay.
Do you know when you were a little baby and the train used to go off the track, you would start to cry all the time?
Yeah, I'll do that. Oh, it works perfectly.
Yeah. Okay, that's Eddie's track, and we're going to come back for part 2 of him making a story on this track, right?
Yeah.